how to fix Valorant error code 3 easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. First, just type here services, scroll down. Now just move this window and don't close it. Right click here, open task manager. Now all you need to do is you need to scroll down until you find here uh, any application that is related to Valorant or Riot Games Vanguard or something like that. And here's it, Vanguard. Right click on it and click end task, and now close task manager and come back here, scroll down, and here's it, VGC. Right click on VGC, go to properties, and then make it automatic. You'll find like that, make it automatic, and then click start. And that's it. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.